2, 3, action.
Alright, so watch me unbox my two items that I bought from Amazon this week. Okay, right, so this is item number 1 and item number 2. It's massive. Alright, you probably guessed it right. You probably have already guessed what they are, right? So that massive thing is an 18-inch LED ring light. And this thing, it says Xiao Koa. It is a microphone. Okay, so I never met them before. They're still inside the box. I just got them from Amazon this week. So let's see what's inside. I thought it would be really cool to do an unboxing video with you guys, you know, just to show you what I buy and what other things, you know, I'm planning to use for my video. So hi everyone, Jane here from Authentic Energy, your transformation coach, doing unboxing video. Haha. Okay, so this thing, Xiao Koa, I think it's a Chinese name. Anyway, so it's very small. I decided to buy like a clip mic because my husband said, you know, I need a better, you know, audio device to receive the sound. So right now, what you guys are watching is basically my sound going into my mobile phone camera, and it's actually not bad, right? But you know, if I'm out and about, you know, in outdoors doing like workout videos for you guys or doing whatever, then you know there's all this background noise, right? And that is when my audio wouldn't be too clear when you guys hear it. So okay, cool. So what's in here? You know, this is my unboxing video. So I will talk a lot. Okay, so when I open it, I see this thing inside the plastic bag, and what else I found? What's this? It's like a tuning fork, right? Well, my husband's right here, so I have to ask him. Okay, right. So those of you guys who are watching right now, if you are like a pro at, you know, all this audio device and technical things, please write in the comment below, you know, if you recognize what this is. Okay, I think it's an adapter according to the manual. So it comes with this little cute adapter. I think I can stick it onto my phone. I do plan to use this, you know, to connect to my phone. So that will actually receive my voice. And inside here, I think this is the main thing where I get the mic, right? It's a clip-on mic. So you can see the little spongy microphone thingy, majiggy, yeah, and there's a little clip. So I guess this thing would go onto my shirt. Okay, so when I talk, this goes into this, what is it, like a transmitter box or something, right? You clip onto your body. So you guys probably have seen that some of the YouTubers, they use like a huge transmitter box, you know, on their waist or somewhere, I don't know, around the body. I think that's what professional people use at the TV station. But I figured that, you know, I would like to go for something a bit more light and, you know, like minimal. So just decided to give this a try. And, you know, I'm very lucky I found this on Amazon. So I guess, yeah, this will be clipping onto anywhere in my body. Let's try it out. Yeah, this is pretty nice. I think it makes me feel professional instantly. And let's just play around with it. Unfortunately, I won't be able to test it out right away because apparently it requires, what, 3 hours of charging time? Okay, so, and if I just clip it over here, oh, voila, look! And I can jump around, and where does it go? Okay, I suppose it will go into the adapter onto my phone. Oh, wait a minute, there's a receiver here as well. Can you guys see? This thing here, okay. Yeah, it's pretty neat, like little box that has everything. Oh, by the way, I pay $49.99 for all these. I think it's a great value. I mean, if you guys know anything better, you know, please do put in the comment below. I would love to hear about your review and what's better, what's good out there. Yeah, so there's a little on and off button and a little sort of like charger thing here. So you can plug it into, where do I plug it into? Like the phone? Okay, I plug it into the phone, and I guess this box and this thing, they communicate with each other, and that's how the phone will receive my voice, right? And then this goes onto the phone as well, or I don't really know how to use it. It's pretty cool. Okay, and then you have this, you know, 6.35 mil receiver as well. That's just an extra thing. And one more thing, it's like a cable. It's a USB cable. Okay, that's good for like charging and everything else. And that's it, you know, that's all inside this tiny little box with a little manual as well in English, you know, with instructions and little QR code. Yeah, Chinese people love QR codes. So that's it for this one. Are you ready?
What is that?
Sorry? Oh yeah, so what is it called? Okay, good for the reminder. This thing is called a Xiao Koa, that's the brand, 2.4G Lavalier microphone. Okay, it's called the Lavalier microphone wireless. That's what it is. You know, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty excited to put this into action. So I will do a quick review of how it sounds. Okay. All right. You ready for the next item? The LED 18-inch ring light, and it's from Newer. Also got this from Amazon. And let's see. Okay. Right. So let's open this baby up. Okay. Oh. All right. Okay. So I hope you guys still staying with me, and you know, if you have used this kind of ring light before, or if you're using that right now for your video, let me know, you know, what your experience is. Okay, yeah. I hope I don't cut myself in front of you guys. That would be very tragic. Okay. I don't really know how other people do like unboxing reviews. Let me know, you know, because sometimes it gets very messy, right? When you have to like open up a box, especially such a big item. It's kind of like, you know, opening up a whole furniture. Oh my god, it's very thick inside. It's like opening up a whole furniture piece and watch me put it all together, you know. And the funny thing is, my husband's right here, you know. He's holding the camera, directing it, and I don't have any help from anybody. So it's just all on me because you guys are watching me unboxing this thing. Oh my god, looks like there's a lot of stuff going on here. Here comes the phone. And then there's a few pieces. Oh my god, are you excited? I know my husband's very excited. Ooh, look! I wonder what that is. I'll put this on the side. It's not that important. Newer. That's a very funny name. Okay, right. Let's take this out. Okay, thank you. Ooh, oh, there is the ring. Okay, there's the main baby. There's a few more things in there as well. I think let's take it all out together. Oh my god, this is like, it's getting to like full-on unboxing action now. Yeah, oh, what's this thing? That must be like, oh my god, could be the stand because it feels really heavy. That's it, right? There's no more else. Oh, anything else? Ooh, okay, so this is not very heavy. It's plastic. Okay, right. Ooh, wow. Okay, let's follow the action here. So this is 18-inch, hey? It's not bad, actually. Can't wait to turn it on and then see what it looks like. Can you guys see? Okay, so this is the ring light. Yeah. And why do I need it? Because this ring light is gonna give me the extra shine, the extra brightness, and especially I'm planning to do online courses as well. So the microphone plus the ring light is gonna give it like an extra brightness and make it look more professional, right? I'm sure you guys will appreciate it when my video becomes more polished and better looking. Okay, so this thing will probably get attached to the stand, I believe. I think that's what it is. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess here right now, but it's okay. That's what the unboxing video is all about, right? You know, seeing me unboxing all that, and this is what happens in real life. You know, I'm very glad that you know, I haven't made my second cooking video with you guys because I get very messy with cooking sometimes. So yeah. But you know what? It's all part of life, right? Ooh, wow, I see colorful things. There we go. There's the manual, okay? And there's the charger, okay, right? Yeah. And then some colors. So that means you can actually change, you know, the color of the light. I guess the orange would actually give the lighting like a warmer look. So the white LED makes it really bright, and then the orange would actually give it a really nice warm hue. So that's good, you know. Let me know if you guys are, you know, experienced with using the ring light, and you know, like, you know, when do you use, you know, the LED white, and when do you use the yellow one? Okay, I would love to hear from you guys. I'm an absolute newbie. I'm an absolute baby in this, so I do need everybody's input. You know, I would really appreciate you can, you know, if you guys can give me some suggestions and also share your experience with me. I think this is for putting the phone, right? I think what you can do is, I really haven't really played with this, but I have seen with other people how you can like fix this thing in the middle, and then you can put your camera in the middle. So you're talking to the camera and the ring light's right here. I think that's what this is. It's like a little clipper for the phone. Okay, and then what's next? Okay, there's a lot of things. Oh, there's a little remote control. Right? This is perfect. This is beautiful. A little remote control. So I can sit there and click on it. There's like an extra thing. Okay, little extra bits. Oh, right here. Oh, that's so cute. They thought about every single part to cover just right here. That's where it fits. The jigsaw puzzle. And there's another little quality amateur prices. I don't know what that is, but okay. And more cables. And then what's that? I think this is like a little connector that connects the stand to the ring light or something like that, right? Okay, anyways, that's it. Okay, for this box. And let's see what's in here. It must be the stand. Oh my god. You know what? It's very exciting, but also at the same time, I'm just like, help! I need someone to help me set it up. Yes. I love playing around with things, and I know I can get very creative, but when it comes to all this like technical equipment, oh, I am sure my husband right now, he's getting turned on by seeing all these things. And I am a little bit like, he's shaking his head. I'm a little bit like, I don't know if I can set it up myself. Okay, help. Yeah, I know you guys who are watching right now, you're probably shaking your head as well. You're like, this is so easy, you know? Okay, well, it's pretty straightforward, I guess, this stand, you know? Put it out. Oh, I don't want to hurt myself. Okay, so, okay, yeah. Yeah, you know, this is actually pretty sturdy. It's very heavy as well. So you can put it on the floor, and extension, I believe this extension, right? Okay, it comes down from here. Okay, yeah, I'll play around with it later, you know. So you have the ring light, and then you have the stand. It goes kind of like together like that. Oh wow, this is pretty powerful. I can't wait to put like the ring light and also the microphone into action. All right, there we go. We have the 2 unboxing items today. I hope you guys have fun with me. And also, if you guys do have experiences using the microphone and the ring light, please do put yes and also your own experience in the comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And also, I will show you guys these things in action as well. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you share, give it a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel already. Okay, so this year I am committed to making daily videos to inspire you guys to transform your body and your mind and your lifestyle too. Okay, so catch you guys next time. Bye.